where do you come from?
Where do I come from? I'm from Australia.
Yeah, Australia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Oh, no way.
My
Yeah,
my
yeah,
coun-
I know where it is. I know where it is.
Oh yeah, okay. So I'm really so proud just talking to you. You're wearing hijab, but may I ask a question? Do you get any barrier or any brace when you walk Australian road? As you're wearing hijab, looks like a Muslim. Is there any discrimination?
Um, in the area that I live in, there isn't much because there's a lot of Arabs around here. You know, there's a lot of Muslims and stuff, so it's all right. It's not bad.
Oh, oh yeah, okay. So
But if I go to a different area where there's more like Australians or like you know, people not like our people, then yeah, they look at you funny.
oh
They
yeah.
might say something. It's normal. There's racism in every country. You know, it's pretty normal.
Oh yeah, I got it. So,
Yeah,
but another question. Every Muslim communities get a better job in Australia.
yeah, anything.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, you can work anything,
That's
but
right.
they put you in areas that are based on your race. Really. They wouldn't put you in a white people area because they know that it's not going to fit you. You know, they'll put you in an area with like your people, Muslims or whatever. So me, most of the time when I work with whatever government job that I've had previously in the past, they put me in areas where there's Muslims and where there's like smart girls. You know, so it's going to
Oh,
attract more people.
oh,
So that's how they do it.
yeah, I
Yeah,
understand. So it depends on area where you live,
smart.
and basically, yeah, okay. So prior to just talking to you, so which city do you live in?
I'm in Sydney.
Oh, Sydney.
Sydney, it's got a high population of Arabs. Yeah, it's got a
Oh,
bit of everything, but a lot of Arabs. Yeah,
uh, really good. Is
yeah,
there any mosque around of you?
yeah, heaps.
Ah,
Yeah, heaps.
they call to prayer in the mosque in the Sydney.
No, 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 no.
Oh,
They
sad.
can't. They do it. They do it in the mosque, but it's not loud. Like we can't hear it.
Oh, oh,
You know,
so
so there's no call to prayer.
not allowed
You
to.
have to keep a look at your time. Like,
Okay, just
no,
not allowed to call to the prayer in the loudly.
no.
Okay, is there any
Yeah,
places?
like it will just be in the area that a mosque is there. Then they'll call out to prayers. Yeah,
Okay, so is there any
yeah,
places in Australia
yeah.
where Muslims just call to prayer in the loudly?
No, it's not a Islamic country, so no.
Oh, I thought Australia is a very good country. So everyone just live there with the same way. Just they do the move with the Christian or Muslim or Buddhism or Hindus.
Yeah,
Don't.
everybody lives together for sure, but there are certain areas where you find that like specific communities they gather in those areas. So like
Oh,
we stick to our area. You
uh,
know what I mean?
oh,
Yeah,
okay. So
like say in the areas that we live in, it's like halal food and all that stuff. So yeah.
oh, okay. But why which is the vulnerable area? This is for the Muslim for living in Australia.
Somewhere where they shouldn't live, maybe in the Jew areas, the
Uh,
Jewish areas.
oh, yeah. I Jewish area. Got it.
Like we shouldn't live there. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can't live there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We prefer
Okay.
not to live there, but you can live wherever you want. You can buy wherever you want, but at the end of the day, like you wouldn't want to live in certain areas. You know, you choose the area you want to live in, and
Oh.
usually the area you choose would be like the area that's most suited to you. You know? Yeah.
Uh, okay, so I understand. I'm really so appreciated, dear sister. My heart is completely filled with joy because I
Anytime.
got a Muslim sister from Australia. It's
No
very rare.
worries.
It's
Some
very,
food,
yeah, sorry.
yeah, it's very rare. It's very rare.
Yeah, it's
There's a
very,
lot of us, but not many people use this app.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, actually, just like that. In fact, literally, I try to come over here and try to find a positive friend on this platform. But it's it's very rare. I'm really so interested talking to the people just
It
like
is,
you.
yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
So,
you.
my dear
It was
sister,
nice to meet you.
nice to meet you also. Lots of love.
Yeah.
Take my salam from Bangladesh, from my family also.
What happened to the
Hopefully,
volume?
we will see once again on another day.
Take
Okay.
care of yourself.
Okay, thank you so much. Be safe and have a good day. Assalamu alaikum
You
warahmatullah.
too.
Okay.
Wa alaikum salam. Take
Okay.
care.